Why are plants mostly green? Plants are mostly green because of something called chlorophyll. Let's learn why. 1. Color of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a special green pigment found in plant leaves. It's like the plant's superhero, helping it make food and grow strong. 2. Sunlight power. Plants use chlorophyll to soak up sunlight. This sunlight helps plants turn water and carbon dioxide into food through a process called photosynthesis. 3. Green reflection. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight really well, except for green light. Instead of absorbing green light, chlorophyll reflects it back, making the plant look green to our eyes. 4. Healthy and happy. Being green helps plants stay healthy and happy. It's like wearing a special suit that helps them grow big and strong. So, plants are mostly green because of chlorophyll, which helps them make food and grow. It's like their secret ingredient for staying healthy and strong.
The amazing journey of plants, exploring the plant life cycle. Plants are incredible living things that go through a special journey called the plant life cycle. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating process. It all starts with a tiny seed. Seeds come in different shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common. They're like tiny packages that contain everything a plant needs to grow. When a seed gets enough water, sunlight, and soil, it starts to sprout. Next comes the seedling stage. This is when the tiny sprout grows its first leaves and starts to look like a small plant. The seedling needs lots of water and sunlight to keep growing strong. As the plant grows, it enters the next stage called maturity. This is when it becomes a fully grown plant and starts to produce flowers. Flowers are like nature's way of making new seeds. They attract bees and other insects that help pollinate the flowers, which means transferring pollen from one flower to another. Once the flowers are pollinated, they start to produce seeds. These seeds will eventually fall to the ground and start the cycle all over again. But the plant life cycle doesn't stop there. Some plants, like annuals, complete their life cycle in just 1 year. Others, like perennials, can live for many years and go through the cycle again and again. Understanding the plant life cycle helps us appreciate the beauty and importance of plants in our world. They provide us with food, oxygen, and even medicine. So the next time you see a plant growing, remember the amazing journey it's been through. From a tiny seed to a beautiful flower or a delicious fruit, it's all part of the incredible plant life cycle.
Busy bee and beautiful butterfly. How they help plants grow. Bees and butterflies are like nature's little helpers that play a big role in helping plants grow. Let's learn about how they do it. Busy bee. Bees buzz around flowers collecting sweet nectar to eat. As they move from flower to flower, they accidentally pick up pollen on their fuzzy bodies. Pollination power. When bees visit flowers, they transfer pollen from one flower to another. This helps the plants make seeds, which grow into new plants. It's like bees are nature's delivery workers, bringing pollen from flower to flower. Beautiful butterfly. Butterflies flutter from flower to flower, sipping nectar through their long, straw-like mouthparts. Just like bees, they also pick up pollen on their bodies as they feed. Spreading seeds. Butterflies help plants grow by spreading pollen and also by laying their eggs on plants. When the eggs hatch into caterpillars, they eat the leaves of the plants, but this helps the plants grow stronger and healthier. Together, bees and butterflies play an important role in helping plants grow and reproduce. Let's appreciate these beautiful insects and the important work they do in our gardens and forests. Veggie power. Why eating veggies is awesome! Vegetables are like magic foods that make us strong and happy. Let's discover why munching on veggies is so cool. Super strong. Veggies are like little heroes packed with vitamins and stuff that make our bodies strong and ready for action. Happy tummies. Eating veggies helps our tummies feel good and keeps our insides working smoothly. They make sure everything stays happy and comfy in there. Bright eyes. Some veggies, like carrots and spinach, are like magic potions for our eyes. They have special stuff that helps us see better and keep our eyes healthy and shiny. Defender veggies. Veggies have secret powers called antioxidants that protect us from getting sick. They're like shields that keep us safe from yucky germs and bugs. Strong bones. Veggies, like broccoli and kale, have special things that make our bones super strong. They're like builders that make sure our skeleton stays tough and sturdy. Happy vibes. When we eat veggies, we feel like superheroes. They give us lots of energy to play, learn, and have fun all day long. So, let's be veggie heroes and munch on these awesome foods every day. With veggies on our plate, we're ready for any adventure that comes our way. Watch them grow. Seed sprouting experiment. Are you curious about how plants grow? Let's do a fun experiment to see seeds come to life right before your eyes. All you need are some seeds, paper towels, a plastic baggie, and a little bit of water. Here's how to do it. First, gather your materials and find a clean, flat surface to work on. Second, take a few seeds like beans or sunflower seeds and place them evenly spaced on a damp paper towel. Third, lay another damp paper towel on top of the seeds, making sure they are completely covered. Fourth, carefully place the paper towels with the seeds inside a plastic baggie. Seal the baggie shut, but leave a little bit of air inside. Fifth, now find a cozy spot for your seed-filled baggie to rest. It should be somewhere warm and sunny, like near a window. Sixth, over the next few days, check on your seeds regularly. Keep the paper towels damp by adding a little water if they start to dry out. Seventh, watch in amazement as the seeds begin to sprout tiny roots and shoots. You'll see them grow taller and taller each day. It's like having a front row seat to nature's magical show. With a little bit of patience and care, you'll witness the incredible journey from seed to plant right in your own home. So grab your seeds and let's get sprouting.